Let's learn colors name. Bottle green color, yellow color, black color, pink color, navy blue color, green color, orange color, sky blue color. Let's paint A to Z. Red color A. A for apple. B. B for book. B for books. Blue color S. S for strawberry. Strawberry. T. T for telephone. T is for telephone. Pink color K. K is for key. K is for key. L. L is for lock. Lock. Bottle green color U. U is for uncle. U is for uncle. V. V is for vase. V is for vase. Orange color F. F is for flag. F is for flag. G. G is for guitar. G is for guitar. Yellow color O. O is for onion. O is for onion. P. P is for paper. P is for paper. Light pink color Y. Y is for yo-yo. Yo-yo. Z. Z is for zero. Zero. Navy blue color H. H is for hen. H is for hen. I. I is for iron. J. J is for jacket. Jacket. Red color M. M is for metro. M is for metro. N. N is for noodles. N is for noodles. Before going ahead, children, please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Yellow color C. C is for cat. C is for cat. D. D is for donkey. D is for donkey. E. E is for egg. E is for egg. Red color W. W is for wheel. Wheel. X. X is for Xerox. Xerox. Light pink color Q. Q is for quiet. Q is for quiet. R. R is for rope. R is for rope. Now let's revise. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Very good, guys. You have to practice this every day. Bye-bye.